Hey, what's up guys, Cameron here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble your penny board. If you're wondering, this is a fake penny board. Just, I don't have a real penny board, but we'll get on soon. So the first step is getting the right tools you need. So I've got my spanner. I think it's an 8. It says 8 on it, so I'm guessing that's the size 8. Gonna need your trucks, obviously, and your board. So, okay, so what we're gonna do? Oh, sorry, yeah, obviously, you're gonna need your bolts. Got my bolts. Okay. So the best way to do it, first way, just poke your bolts through the top. Now these are really weird bolts. They like they screw in. I don't know why they screw in, but they do. I might be able to push them in. Okay, I can just push them in. So yeah, you just push your bolts through. Now I'm probably going to be doing a lot more of these videos, but with skateboards, like how to assemble grip tape, how to take off grip tape, how to apply your trucks. You probably all know how to do it anyway, but it's not these videos. So yeah, so we'll just put them in these. Oh, that was easy. Okay, so that fell out. That's embarrassing. So once you've got them in, you've got your bolts in, you just apply a truck. I'm only going to do one today because it'll take a while to film both one. Be a long video. But yeah, so apply the trucks. And you just get your bolts, screw them in. See, if I knew how to edit, I would speed this up and I'd do both, but I don't have a proper editing software, so I'm just going to do one today. So yeah, just screw your bolts on loosely first. This is the best way, how I do it. Yeah, so let me just put this in here. Okay, and once you've done that, make sure they're screwed in loosely at the start though. Oh, come on, go on. Okay, then you're just gonna stick your Allen key into the bolts here, and you're just gonna screw them in tight. So what we're gonna do is hold this down here and screw them in. Now I do have a skateboard tool, so I do actually have a tool for skateboarding, or for skateboards, but it doesn't fit penny boards, which is frustrating. So yeah, it's a bit frustrating, but oh well, I'm just gonna have to do it anyway. So yeah, okay. And once they're on nice and tight, that's pretty much it, to be honest. Once they're on tight, but like I said, I'm only going to do one, so it'll take me a while to do two without it being sped up. Yeah, that is pretty much it. You can do in these rooms, which you have to do. So yeah, once you've done that, here you go. Here's your playboard screwed on and assembled. Yep, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, We'll be doing videos of these, so stay tuned for them. Thanks for watching. See you later.